tuned to this. I'm kidding. Let's get right to it. Unboxing video. I decided to invest in my channel and I bought this right here, which is the ZOOM 8Q8N-4K. Did minimal research. I watched two review videos, which I will post down below in the pinned comment section. But let's get on to it. I'm just gonna read the very back of the box and then I'm just gonna take everything out. Here we go. It does look cool. From these two videos I was able to go buy, and I used, I have the money, but I used PayPal, Pay in 4, just for fun, I guess. I don't know. Just to try it. So far so good. Here we go, the features. 4K video and 4-track audio recorder. You got that? High quality 150-degree wide-angle lens with 5 field of views. Interchangeable Zoom mic capsule system. 2 XLR mic line input with phantom power. Full color flip LCD for self-movie capture. USB interface for live streaming / data transfer. iOS, Android apps for remote control. Here, optional BTA/1 Bluetooth adapter required for whatever. This package includes, the box includes the 8Q8N-4K handy video recorder. Yep. The BT03 rechargeable lithium-ion battery, foam windscreen, the USB cable, Type-C to 2.0A, something to that effect. 2.0A, whatever. Lens protective cap, flare prevention hood, and a quick tour, so probably a little booklet, but let's open. So lots and lots of literature. Look, I got a boo-boo on my thumb, and this was actually quicker than putting on a Band-Aid. But if you really want to know, I stole this. I don't want my fingerprints all over it. So tons and tons of literature. I think this is probably, Jesus, I don't know, a lot of literature. Okay, here we've got your foam, microfoam vibes. You've got this, whatever they said it was, that connection. I know what that is. That goes over that's your protector, your shield, your vision protector thing. And this is the unit. Look at that, very cute. Am I gonna show you all the bells and whistles? Absolutely not. This is an unboxing video. I'm just showing you what happens when you get all the stuff. So hopefully that's everything. Oh, no, there's more. There is more. I see a little, oh, there you go. Battery's in there. So that's basically it. Your battery, your camera, your cord, your, wind popper stoppery thing, your cover, so whatever, and the Bible, which is right here. No, I'm not going to give you a demo. I just got the thing, but I can almost guarantee you that every video from here onward will be with this camera. So yeah, an upgrade, And I also want to thank the 2 reviews that I saw on YouTube. These guys basically sold it, and hey, I bought it. I also want to thank you guys for watching my videos in the first place, because without you guys watching, I would have never have been able to have bought this beautiful thing right here, So I am forever in your debt. Peace out. Wait, let me do a thing. Let me do a thing. There. All right, for real, we'll see ya.